Once upon a time, a ship is sailing in the sea. It reached in an island. 3 pirates named Lucy, Lily the captain, and Jim go down of the ship. But suddenly, their ship go far in the sea. That's why they have to go inside the island. Jim was so thirsty. That's why he ran to a coconut tree. Lucy and Lily follow him. The parrot was so smart. He broke the coconuts from the tree. Coconuts fall down. The parrot flew to Lily's shoulder. They have many coconuts now. Lucy take 3 coconuts to Jim. He has a knife. He cut them and they all drink water. Soon there was night. Jim cut the coconuts and divide equally to all. Then suddenly a coconut ran to a forest. They followed the coconut. Coconut ran so far. Then the coconut slip and fall on the ground. They surrounded him.
Coconut cried. Please let me go. I will tell you about the treasure castle.
They let him alive. And go to the treasure castle. Then they go to meet the king. The king was on his throne. Lily said,
"Oh Majesty, we are travelers. We forget the way to home. Can we stay in your castle for one night?"
The king was so kind. He said,
"Yes, you can. Harry, take them to the restroom."
Harry take them to the restroom. They entered in the room. When the servant was gone, they planned the whole night how they can steal treasure. At last, they have a plan. When it was morning, everybody is sleeping. They entered in the king palace. Lucy and Jim slowly came near the chest. They picked the chest to Lily. The chest was locked. Lily go near the throne and picked the key. Then they opened the chest. The treasure was inside. Then they closed the chest. And slowly they ran out of the castle. They go to the coast where Rose was waiting for them. They sit in the motorboat. Before the soldiers and king got them, they